So has this ever happened to you? You're getting ready to sew a project, you know you have your machine threaded properly, you put your fabric under the presser foot, and all you get is this. And nothing happens. So what's happening here is that most likely you just got done winding a bobbin and your clutch is disengaged, meaning that your hand wheel is pulled out all the way so that you can wind your bobbin and it is not engaging with the needle. So all you have to do is push the hand wheel in and you'll be able to sew a seam every time. But that's only half of the story. When you wind the bobbin, you have to make sure that not only do you push this over, but you also pull the clutch out. Because if you don't pull the clutch out, if you leave it in, both your bobbin winder and your needle will be engaged at the same time, and this is what's going to happen. If you pull it out, only your bobbin winder will be engaged. So when you're done winding your bobbin, all you have to do is push this lever all the way to the left and push your clutch in, and you'll be successful every time. Happy sewing!